Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You see an M on the screen. It means a value is stored in memory. First, note the exact memory keys on your calculator because models differ. If an MC key is present, press it now to clear memory. This is immediate. If no MC exists, prepare to use M or M plus to zero the memory by subtracting or overriding. Once done, make sure the display no longer shows M, so you know the memory is empty. Next, choose the reliable method for your model, overwrite or subtract. To overwrite, type 0 and press M+. That replaces the stored value with 0 and removes the M indicator on most calculators. To subtract, press Mr. to recall the memory, then press M followed by the recalled number to zero it out. Both approaches work because memory arithmetic changes the stored value. Once finished, press Mr. again to confirm the display shows 0 or that the M flag disappeared. Finally, always confirm the result. Press Mr. If you see no stored number or 0, the M indicator should be gone. If the M still shows, power cycle the calculator by turning it off then on. Some devices clear transient flags that way. If that fails, repeat the overwrite with 0 and M+, or consult the model manual for a full memory reset sequence. One key troubleshooting tip. Battery removal for a few seconds often clears persistent memory flags on older calculators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.